Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about IOTX price prediction and IOTX news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for IOTX in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, IOTX has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, IOTX has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the IOTX blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of IOTX are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. Bittrex announces listing of IOTX's token. US-based cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex announced the listing of IOTX's token IOTX, a Machanefi-focused blockchain project that just recently celebrated 4 years since its first code release. Bittrex, founded in Seattle, currently ranks 23 out of 306 crypto exchanges on CoinMarketCap, with nearly $90 million in daily trading volume. Founded in 2014 in Seattle by 3 cybersecurity engineers, Bittrex boasts over 500,000 daily users and offers the trading of more than 300 cryptocurrencies. Bittrex has over 1 million Twitter followers. Along with its 500,000 active daily users, it exposes many new users to the IOTX token and provides retail investors and lead to huge price changes due to reduced risk appetite. Related, Bitcoin dips 12% as Russian ruble hits all-time low against United States dollars on Ukraine military operation. Meanwhile, a recent report from hedge fund Pantera Capital shows that Bitcoin is currently relatively inexpensive, noting that several factors may affect the next rally. According to Pantera, warning signs from the debt markets and negative real rates could provide Bitcoin with the rocket fuel it needs to resume its bullish uptrend. What else was known about this cryptocurrency? Despite the downturn that the cryptocurrency market has witnessed in recent weeks and months, there's no reason to be less bullish on crypto, according to IOTX co-founder and CEO Dr. Roland Kai. Bitcoin, currently trading at circa $38,820 according to CoinMarketCap data, is down 18% over the last week and roughly 40% less valuable than the all-time high it reached in November. Ethereum, the second most popular cryptocurrency by market cap, has suffered a similar fate, with it losing over a quarter of its value in the last 30 days. Many altcoins have suffered much sharper drops over this period, but Dr. Kai told Crypto Daily on Tuesday that he doesn't believe the bullish case for crypto has changed. The bullish case for crypto hasn't changed at all in recent months as they commit to imposing restrictive measures that will prevent the Russian central bank from deploying its international reserves in ways that undermine the impact of our sanctions. According to Rob Person, an associate professor of international relations at the U.S. Military Academy in West Point, this would mean that the central bank won't be able to access most of its reserves for currency interventions or exchange dollars and euros for rubles. Yesterday, the allies also committed to acting against the people and entities who facilitate the war in Ukraine and the harmful activities of the Russian government, taking measures to limit the sale of citizenship, so-called golden passports that let wealthy Russians connected to the Russian government become citizens of these countries and gain access to their financial systems. Launching this coming week a transatlantic task force that will ensure the effective implementation of the financial sanctions, employing sanctions and other financial and enforcement measures on additional Russian officials and elites close to the Russian government, as well as their families and their enablers, to identify and freeze the assets they hold in the jurisdictions of the allies. On Sunday morning, Kyiv is reported to be still under Ukrainian control despite increased Russian efforts to take the capital of Ukraine. Chain protocol, while being used as the gas for the blockchain protocol. Burndrop is a unique tokenomic model that leads to deflation of IOTX as the number of devices orchestrated by IOTX increases. The Bittrex listing of IOTX comes as IOTX has seen significant growth. Its ecosystem has over 140 different projects. More than 38 million transactions have taken place on its blockchain, and 73 delegates perform consensus and help govern the network, over which 17 million blocks have been produced. Telling of the user trust in IOTX is 30% of the total token supply currently staked. Keep an eye out for upcoming news, as the group's co-founders recently revealed they would shortly announce some very high-level partnerships with major global firms. It seemed like a lifetime ago since we were all able to meet Earl, as the cyber folks say nowadays. For those who don't know, that means in real life. After years, literally, of lockdown, thousands of crypto and blockchain OGs, old gangstas, i.e. early adopters, and enthusiasts descended into Dubai for weeks of unforgettable events. It was equally exciting for several Iotex members who were there for a dozen very intensive days of speaking, meeting, networking, and exhibiting what this extraordinary match-NFE-focused enterprise does, and where it's headed. Many of those Iotex team players met for the very first time, physically, that is. What happened during their extended stay in Dubai would prove to be one of the most significant experiences for all of them. After all, it is a fully decentralized blockchain project. Let's start with a bit of a story about how crypto has made its way into this UAE's economically fast-growing emirate. The government has embraced the industry and wants to lead the world into this new era. Programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents and a minimum rate of 64 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 78 cents. IOTX rate prediction 2028. The value of IOTX will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. IOTX is expected to top out at $1.11 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of IOTX will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of IOTX will be between 92 cents and 96 cents, expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of IOTX ranges from 92 cents to $1.11 for 2028.